Alright, this goes out for one of my good friends who was complaining that they no longer remembered how to carve the chicken up. I found this wonderful, beautiful chicken, Nature's Promise, reduced from $10 to $4.62, and I am going to do a cut up on it for fried chicken tonight. After I get it all cut up, I'm going to soak it in buttermilk for a while, batter it, fry it on a low heat. As you can see, it's a pretty nice chicken, all intact. Kind of start at the top and work your way down. Around the legs. More or less sort of follow the lines of what you remember a good chicken looks like. Bring it out so you've got it out of the joint. And just kind of cut everything out. What you're going to have next behind that will be the thighs. A couple ways to disjoint that is just cut through the cartilage, or you can use your poultry shears and clip through them. Drumstick. Get the other one off. Take it right into the joint. Trim the muscle away from the bone. Poultry shears. Second drumstick. You kind of have a choice here on whether you want to go for the thighs or the wings. I'm going to go for the thighs, give myself some wiggle room. I start at the back. Leave as much skin on the piece as you possibly can. And again, sort of just follow the lines of the chicken's parts.
Who are you talking to?
My camera.
Oh.
Thigh. Second part of the operation over here, we've already got it started. Bring it out. Again, follow the lines. Second thigh. You want a big, plump, meaty wing. Cut into the shoulder nice. Follow it around the breast. Chicken wing. And the chicken wing. Separate out the back from the breast. Pretty easy because the ribs cut nicely. This is called breasting. back out. Cut that into two pieces, right there where it junctures, upper and lower. Give it a twist, snap the spine. Poultry shears. Two pieces of back. I'm not going to use the neck and the giblets in this hen. I am going to use the breast. What we're going to merely do is you've got a bone in the middle here. And you're going to cut down one side or the other. I'm sure you recognize that most of the time when you do breast this way that it's not equal. I'm actually going to go ahead and fillet that off. You're going to end up here with a nice, almost chicken breast. And I don't really see any merit in cooking it on the bone. But if you want to do that, then you just go ahead and split it through the cage there. Breast. And last but not least, the old wishbone. Comes right off of there. It's the same as your collarbone. Go. That's all basically what's left. I'll freeze that back up and make chicken stock out of it. So what you have here is a totally cut up chicken suitable for frying. Two pieces of the back, two drumsticks, pulley bone, two nice slices of breast, two wings, and two thighs. Wasn't hard, was it? Do it yourself.